Welcome back, cloud security learners. In today's video, we are diving into Domain 3 of the CCSK version 5 exam. One of the most essential topic, that is risk, audit and compliance. Whether you are new to the cloud security or just brushing up for the CCSK exam, this video will break down all the core concepts you need to know. So, without further delay, let's get into it, starting with the learning objectives. By end of this Domain 3, you should be able to define, categorize and use tools to manage risk. Identify the regulatory and compliance constraints for which your cloud-based environment must undergo audits. Identify a set of technical and non-technical tools used when managing governance, risk and compliance. So, let's unpack these in detail, starting with cloud risk management. Cloud computing introduces unique risks that traditional IT environments may not face. This section focuses on how to adapt risk management strategies to cloud environments. Let's look at a few key points. Shared responsibility model. In cloud environments, risk responsibilities are shared between cloud providers and the customers. For instance, the provider may handle physical security, but you are responsible for data encryption and access controls. Risk assessment process. You still follow the classic risk management lifecycle, that is, identify, assess, mitigate, monitor, but with cloud-specific considerations such as multi-tenancy, virtualization, and lack of physical controls. Cloud-specific risks. These include data breaches due to misconfigured storage, insecure APIs, insider threats, and vendor lock-in. Business continuity and disaster recovery. You need to assess the provider's capabilities for availability, redundancy, and failover. So, the bottom line is, effective risk management in the cloud means evaluating both providers' controls and your own internal processes. Section 3.2, Compliance and Audit. Next up, let's talk compliance. Organizations must meet industry and regulatory requirements even when using the cloud. Here are some things to know. Understanding compliance requirements. This includes standards like GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, FedRAMP, and others. These laws don't go away in the cloud. You still need to protect sensitive data and ensure privacy. Cloud provider certifications. Look for providers with certifications like ISO 27001, SOC 2, and CSS Star. These demonstrate a level of compliance, but they don't cover your responsibilities. Audit challenges in the cloud. Traditional audit practices may not fully work in the cloud. You can't just walk into the data center. You will often rely on third-party audits and cloud provider documentation. There is a tip for you. Use cloud audit artifacts like compliance reports, logs, and security dashboards to support your audits. Section 3.3, Governance, Risk, Compliance Tools and Technologies. Finally, let's talk tools. Governance, Risk and Compliance, or GRC, is all about ensuring security and accountability across your cloud workloads. Here are key capabilities of GRC tools in the cloud. First, policy management. This helps define and enforce policies like access control, encryption, and resource tagging. Next, risk monitoring. Uses dashboards, automates alerts, and risk scoring to track cloud threats in real time. Then, compliance automation. Modern tools can map your configurations against compliance frameworks and highlights the gaps. For example, using CSPM, that is Cloud Security Posture Management, can help you in these regards. Integration with cloud providers. Most major cloud platforms now offer native GRC tools such as AWS Config, Azure Policies, and Google Cloud's Security Command Center. These tools help you to stay secure, audit ready, and aligned with governance standards. Let's then quickly recap what we have covered in this video. Cloud introduces new risks that must be assessed and managed collaboratively. Compliance doesn't stop at the cloud. You need to map responsibilities and verify the controls. Leverage modern GRC tools to maintain visibility, enforce policy, and support audits. And here is your exam tip for Domain 3. Know the shared responsibility model, understand how compliance roles are split between providers and customers, and be familiar with common cloud certifications. With these foundations, you are one step closer to mastering the CCSK exam. In the next video, we are going to learn about Domain 4, that is Organization Management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more CCSK domain walkthroughs. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.